All right, so we left off having the equation 2x plus 15 equals 82. Now we can get rid of that 15 by subtracting it from both sides. So we're going to subtract 15, leaving me 2x is equal to 67. Okay, then I'm going to divide by 2. Therefore, I know x is equal to 3350.5. So therefore, my shirt is equal to $33.50. What about the jeans? Well, the jeans are equal to the 3350 plus 15. Therefore, the jeans were 4850. Okay? So with both these problems, you need to pay attention to which blank you're filling in within Math Excel. So you need to say if it's the smaller one or if it's the larger one, and it will tell you. So just pay attention. All right. Another type of problem we used to see this a lot was like your phone. When you used to be with cell phones, you had certain minutes used to cost a certain amount, or you only had so many minutes. Otherwise, then it started charging you certain amounts. Or with a landline, I think it's still something like you pay a certain amount a month and then an additional amount for each minute you talk on the phone. So with this example, you have a phone that costs you $17 per month plus 20 cents per minute. When your bill at the end of the month comes in, it was $85.80. And now you want to figure out how many minutes did you talk on the phone. Okay, so you know that your bill consists of your $17 plus 20 cents times every minute. Equal, and that's going to come up to be $85.80. All right, well, I can get rid of the $17 to solve for my minutes. And that's going to give me 0.2 minutes is equal to 68.80. I'm going to take 0.2, divide both sides by 0.2. So the number of minutes is equal to, and I've lost my calculator, guys. So I'm going to type this into my calculator because I do not know that off the top of my head. So I'm going to do 68.8 divided by 0.2. And that gives me 344 minutes that I talked during the month. Pretty cool. All right. This particular problem seems to be everybody's really, really hard problem. So just take notes, pay attention, maybe rewatch this section. The area of Fred's backyard is 6 times larger than Bob's. If the sum of their backyards is 7,000 square feet, what is the size of Bob's and Fred's backyard? So let's start with Fred. What is the size of his backyard? Well, it's 6 times larger than Bob's. All right, well, let's go look at Bob. Let's write down Bob. How big is his yard? I have no idea. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make it a variable, x. Now let's go back to Fred. What did it say? It was 6 times larger, so that means it's 6x. Okay? Then the second part says if the sum of their backyards is 70,000, that means that Fred plus Bob is equal to 70,000. So I'm going to replace Fred with 6x and Bob with x, and that's going to equal 70,000. I'm going to combine my like terms, so that's going to give me 7x is equal to 70,000. If I have 7x is equal to 70,000, I need to solve for x. I'm going to divide by 7. So therefore, I know x is equal to 10,000. And x is Bob. What about Fred? Well, Fred is equal to 6x. So I'm going to replace the x with 10,000. And that's going to give me 60,000 square feet is Bob's backyard. And often with this problem, when I do it, I put them in the wrong way. So just pay attention to which box belongs to which. All right. And our last problem. Okay, I have a 16-foot board. And I know it's going to be cut into 2 pieces. So the first length, I know this is 16 feet. Okay, so the longer piece is 1 foot longer than the short board. So what's the length of my short board? Well, I don't know, it's x. But I know this longer one is 1 foot plus 2x, because it's twice as long as the short board, 1 foot longer than twice the short board. Okay, so that's what that's telling me. Now I need to find the length of each board. Okay, well, so I know 1 plus 2x plus x is equal to 16. First thing I will want to do when I look at that equation is combine my like terms. So I'm going to have 1 plus 2x plus 1x, which will give me 3x equals 16. Subtract the 1, leaving me 3x is equal to 15. Divide by 3, leaving me x is equal to 3. So my short board is 3 feet. Okay, but what about the long board? Well, that's 1 plus 2x. So let's replace the x with 3. So it's 2 times 3. And that's going to give me 7. Oh, no. Oh my goodness, guys, help me. I can't do math. That should have been 5. That should be 5. And that should be 5, giving you an answer of 11. So this should be 5 feet. All right. As you can see, we all make mistakes. And so what I'm really poor about doing is checking my answer. Let me check my answer. Is 5 plus 11 16? Well, 5 plus 11 is 16, and that is what they should be. So remember, don't forget to check your answer. Checking your answer is probably the thing that will save you time and time again. All right. Please email me or ask me questions in class, but don't wait if you have questions. Please, please, please email.